AI is being used in robotics in ways in which classical approaches bring you so far, but not all the way. So for example, when we want a robot to move, let's say a robot manipulator in a factory setting, if we want that robot to move really fast, to apply paint on a car, let's say, those robots have been programmed quite meticulously, sometimes in excess of 3 to 5 months, just to paint a car. Can we have the AI look at the model of the car and factor in all of the dynamic variables that a human was intuiting when taking that 3 to 5 hour, month-long time to program the car? But even after all of that is factored in, can we run the robot and have it learn a little bit more about its own parameters, about its own self, to further optimize the process, say depositing paint more efficiently and more quickly?